Hand adjustment mode. Long press button D for 2 seconds with key tone. A key, counterclockwise. T clockwise. Before exiting, ensure the hand time matches the LCD display time. T exit. In time display mode, press and hold button D for 2 seconds with key tone until the seconds digit flashes, indicating entry into time setting mode. Press button D to cycle through setting items. Press button A to decrease. Press button C to increase. T exit. After setting the digital time, the pointer will automatically adjust according to the digital time.